Good afternoon. So here we over in the shop, and thought I'd let you see what I've been working on. Might call this a sculpture or whatever, but what this is a rain gauge holder. So somebody might like this, or I might use it for a while. We'll see what we do with it, but this all unbolts. The legs unbolt, tail comes off. The wings are adjustable. The neck comes off. The legs are well stem, and it's full of gravel. That Freon tank is so pretty heavy. The tip there is off of anhydrous shank, carbide tip. The neck is a needle out of a baler. A big square baler. So, yeah, there's the bird. And there you go. We'll back up here. There you go. Have a nice day.